One positive thing I can say about smoking weed, if I ever get Alzheimer's, I'm ready. Well, I got the techniques down. I write myself notes for stuff I might forget. Like if I'm driving and I see the car's low on gas, I know I'm not going to remember next time, so I write gas on a big piece of paper, set on the seat. So, you ever walk into a room and forget what you're doing there? That happened to me today. I was in the bathroom. Luckily, I had a note. Piece of paper with the letter P. Shorthand, I know what it means. What the hell is going on? I'm on fire! Oh, I knew it, I'm killing. Okay. This is a new one. I've never encountered this. So are we all gonna die? Just let me know now. I got a few things on my bucket list. Oh, this is awkward.
It's all good, false alarm. If anything comes of it, we'll let you know.
No problem, no problem.
We'll be off in a minute. It's kind of awkward.
No problem. I will walk right through it. This actually reminds me of my apartment. All kinds of random noises. I live in Harlem, obviously. And, This actually reminds me of home. I feel like I need to go to sleep now. I actually got to be careful how much I drink in my neighborhood because, you know, stumbling white guy is $200 in cash and prizes. I shouldn't be scared though, really. I mean, I'm very tough. How many people do you know with a black belt in feng shui? By the way, I want to thank everyone for participating in my worst nightmare.